Okay, the lock I have is a multi-lock padlock. It's a C series. This is the number 10 C series padlock. As you see, it has the shackle guard. The shackle is about 9.5 millimeters, and the body is about 63 millimeters across. It's a heavy-duty padlock. I mean, these are pretty prevalent around the world. A lot of people know them. Very heavy-duty. This thing is very heavy. Hardened steel shackle, very thick. This one happens to be the classic keyway. That's the bitting. So I have I got this from Jeff Moss, who helped me out with some best locks I was having some problems with. So check out that, Bad Solutions, and there's the number. Works great. It sticks a little bit. This is a seller refurbished one. It's not brand new, but the core and the key are brand new, just not the pins. So as you see, the shackle comes fully out. There's 2 locking pawls, ball bearings in there, and I'll get this put in a vise. Usually I pick it just holding it, but I end up squeezing the thing so tight with the tension wrench that I get like bruises almost inside my hand. So I'm going to put this in a vise, and then we'll pick it. Okay, got it set up using a fat tension wrench and a dimple pick out of my spook set. This lock is the hardest multi-lock padlock I have to pick. That's why I chose to do a video out of it. I think the reason it is because I got it refurbished, and all my other ones I bought new. The guy who I bought this from put a new key on it, new core, but he kept the same pins, and a lot of the pins have wear on them rather, and they really don't give that clean, distinct feedback, and you know, while you're setting them, so you really have to be conscious of which pins you set, how many clicks you get out of them, all that. Okay, I got one still springing, got a couple clicks out of 2, 3, 5 gave me a couple clicks, 4, okay, 2 gave me some clicks, that was 1, that was 3, and then I got a nice turn on the core. Now I'm just looking for inner pins, and that was it. There we go. As you can see, it's picked. So with these multi-lock padlocks, obviously it's kind of a pain in the ass. Not only is the keyway recessed, you know, it's as in it's pushed down in there, but you have this little spring-loaded cover you have to deal with. But if you get a tension wrench that's fat enough, it's no problem. It'll hold it open the whole way. So that wasn't too bad. Only about 3 minutes to pick it. I will take this apart for you. I don't want to because these are a pain in the ass to try and get back together, but might as well show you what's inside. Okay. Okay, that's the top of that. And then you slide this out. As you see, that's the little shutter. You can take that out. This is just a cover of the locking pawl. And these are the locking pawls right there. Let me show you what it looks like when it's... I'll try to hold these on so it doesn't... Pulls them in like that. Shit. Lost the spring, but I heard it fall over there. I'll grab it. Okay. Now these are a pain in the ass because, as you see, the plug and the Bible are actually not one piece. They are two separate pieces. So you take this whole thing out. You gotta hold it together. Okay. Okay, all the drivers, that was 4, that was 3 is caught, this is 5, 2, and 1. 3's caught up on that, okay. Here's all the drivers. And let's see for the key pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on out of there. There we go. Okay. All the drivers are serrated, as you see. And let me grab one of these real quick. Sorry. I don't think, yeah, none of these have spooled inner pins. And there's no counter milling on that. And it wouldn't really matter if there was counter milling inside the actual key pins because there's no spooled inner driver pin. So the key pins 1 and 4 are the mushrooms, as you can see. See how it tapers halfway through. And 1, 4, and 5 have this little serration right at the bottom of the key pin, right there. All right. Well, that is all I have for you on the Multi-Lock C10, C-Series number 10. If you have any questions or comments, just post them below. If you like the video, I would appreciate it if you would subscribe. Remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get. Shout out to Jeff Moss for helping me out with some best lock problems and this awesome keychain. And thanks for watching. Have a great day.